Now, there are a few times when closing an account makes sense. If it has an annual fee, if it has a monthly maintenance charge, if it's tied to a bad financial habit, if it's a store card you opened for a discount and never used again, but even then, you want to think it through. Because closing it might feel good emotionally, but financially, it might be like cutting your own hair at 2 a.m., satisfying in the moment, questionable in the morning. Now let's talk about a different kind of credit, the kind that doesn't show up on your credit report, but absolutely shows up in your relationships. If you borrowed money from a person, a friend, a family member, a coworker, and you finally paid them back. Remember what we previously discussed? There's one more step. Say thank you, not a text, not a thumbs up emoji, not I'll get you next time. A real thank you. Maybe even a small gift, something thoughtful, not expensive. A card, a coffee, a candle, a plant, a box of their favorite snacks. Something that says, I appreciate you helping me when I needed it. Because borrowing money can put cracks in a relationship, even tiny ones. And a small gesture can help mend that bridge. Let's take one more refresher spin around the block, shall we? Just because the debt is paid doesn't mean your work is done. Remember what we need to do? Guess. Yep, you want to stay proactive with your credit accounts. Check your statements. Monitor your credit report. Make sure the zero balance is reported correctly. Keep an eye out for errors. Watch for identity theft. Make sure no surprise fees pop up. Think of it like maintaining a garden. You don't plant flowers and walk away forever. You check on them. You water them. You make sure no weeds show up. Your credit is the same way. Now that you know why keeping accounts open can help you, and how to repair relationships with people you borrowed from, you're ready for the next step in cleaning your credit history. How to stay consistent, stay organized, and stay ahead so your credit stays clean long term. Because cleaning your credit isn't a one-time event. It's a lifestyle. It's a habit. It's a new way of handling money that keeps you out of default and moving toward financial freedom. Well, that's all we have for now, folks. Don't forget to follow, like, and share this video. Just so you know, we post weekly. So, look out for a continuation of this video next week, or check out our previous video from last week. See you in the next video.